Welcome to Module 1 of the Airbnb Business Starter course, Introduction to Airbnb Business. Hi there, I'm Ronnie, your instructor for this course, and I'm excited to guide you through the process of starting your own Airbnb business from scratch.
Pretty cool, right? Now what you want to do is just repeat this process over and over again for all your modules. Now you can just make this into one long video, but I don't recommend that. I recommend you breaking it down into the modules so in your course people can go through the modules at their own pace instead of having to watch one long video. Another thing I do, which I didn't mention or demonstrate in this video, but I would make an introduction letting people know that this is an AI assistant and not actually you, so people won't get confused or feel like you're tricking them. So you can make a quick 30-second video letting the avatar itself say, hey, this is my AI assistant, my name is Ronnie, and this is all generated through AI. That'll help people understand that this was created with AI and they won't be confused, and it'll make you look good. That's just a recommendation though. Now after you have all your videos and your modules, the next step you want to do is put them on a platform so that way we can send traffic to them and start making money.